as you guys can see, I get this font from the font and it's called Monogram. So now I'm going to go into Fonto, and I already have my font downloaded. And then I am going to type my initials. But before I do that, I am going to explain to you guys something about this font. So if you use a capital letter, then it will look like this. And if you use a lowercase letter, it will look like this. So for this one, I'm going to use the lowercase letter, and I'm going to type DCA, which are my initials. And then I will center them on the little canvas, and I will save it as a PNG. So now I am in Cricut Design Space, and I am going to show you guys how I upload this monogram onto Design Space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the eraser tool down there, and I'm going to erase the letters that I don't need. So that would be these two D's on the middle and the right. And then I would erase the C on the left, and then the C on the right. Once I'm done with erasing all those letters, I hit next, and then I just finish uploading the picture. So once I have that uploaded into Design Space, I'm going to duplicate that twice, and then I will have 3 rows of this monogram. Then I go to Contour under Actions, and I will click the letters that I do not want. So in this case, it's C and A. And then I have my D singled out just by itself. So then I do the same for the other 2 letters. So now I'm going to move my letters in a circle-like position, and I am going to go to Edit. And I'm going to go to Distribute, and I'm going to distribute horizontally. Then that evens out the space between each letter. Now I'm going to go back to Edit, and then I'm going to align and center vertically. And then after that, I'm basically done, but I am not done with this video. So a few little tips and tricks. So when you're doing your monogram, you want to attach it, like attach all the letters together instead of group it, because when you press Make It, here's what it will look like grouped, and here's what it will look like attached. So obviously attached is better than grouped, because once you're done putting your HGV or vinyl through the Cricut machine, you will not have to position the letters by yourself. They will already be positioned for you. And that's basically the only crucial tip I have for this. But this was super easy, and it was super quick. If you look at my phone, it probably took me like 5 to 6 minutes. So yeah, I think it's definitely easier than the split monogram. And me personally, I like this one better. So yeah, that is what today's tutorial was about, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you learned something new, then please feel free to hit that like button and also smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much to everyone who's already subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.